Your credit score is a vital financial health metric. SoFi provides free weekly access to your FICO Score 8, right in the app, with no impact to your credit. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Open your SoFi app and look for the Credit Score section, often on the home screen or in the membership area. Tap to see your current score, the factors affecting it, and a historical chart. SoFi also provides insights and articles to help you understand how to improve your score over time. My crucial pro tip: check the Key Factors section religiously. Don't just look at the number. Scroll down to see what's helping or hurting your score the most, like credit utilization or length of credit history. This tells you exactly what actions, like paying down a card, will have the biggest positive impact. Monitor your financial reputation for free and learn how to improve it. What factor has been most surprising in its effect on your credit score? For more guides on financial health, please subscribe. Thanks for watching. I'm Samuel, and I'll see you soon.